Lipotrue, Science and Biotechnologies. Lipotrue Science and Biotechnologies is going to change the way we think about innovation in cosmetic active ingredients. Lipotrue is a completely new and unique scientific approach that can only be achieved working with different cutting-edge technologies. It allows discovering new molecules from short-sequence peptides to long sequences such as proteins with no other limitation than your imagination. Lipotrue's vision is to be the innovation leader in cosmetics with the strongest scientific substantiation. Lipotrue is a multidisciplinary team of 30 scientists with more than 10 years average experience and state-of-the-art labs and facilities. Lipotrue is focused only in active ingredients with 4 main different technologies: natural plants as biofactories, in silico design of new peptides, marine bioresearch, and big data analytics. Each technology has its own specialized R&D team, but at the same time coordinated to offer a solid portfolio of premium active ingredients, both in efficacy and innovative concepts. These capabilities and the understanding of the market needs for innovation will make Lipotrue the strategic partner for our customers.
Well, Juan Carlos, you know, here we are at Barcelona with this nice view, and well, it's the moment to start with Lipotrue. In fact, what I have in mind is just to change a little bit the concept, you know, in cosmetics, because most of the people present just different products, very well dressed, and so we have a different idea. We want to produce 1,000 million of peptides or other molecules, and then what we have to do is just to isolate with different bases different candidates, with the aim of facilitating to our customer the choice of a particular molecule.
For the reason it's important, this part of our name, through science and technology, because we want to be really a new company in the area of science and especially biotechnologies. The idea to be focused in active ingredients, working now in these 4 platforms that we have, we will be able to develop the new molecules faster. That means the idea is with the use of all these omics, genomics, proteomics, epigenomics, we have a good opportunity developing this platform that we have inside of the group that could be very good.
And not only the genomics approach, it's just, for example, in silico. You cannot imagine the huge potential that we have when we work on in silico peptides. We are able now to synthesize from small peptides, medium size, or even large enzymes and proteins. So we can work, in a customized way, and this is just the beginning. The potential for finding new cosmetic application is really huge. We are trying to convert cosmetics in a real science. This is I think is a real objective.
Lipotrue Science and Biotechnologies, made in Barcelona. Derived from the need to innovate and be adaptive inside the dynamic and fast-changing cosmetic market, Lipotrue Science and Biotechnologies has come forward. This new company moves a step up into the world of technologies to develop new active ingredients by applying well-known technological processes currently used in medical research with success to refocus the way we think about cosmetics. Natural plants as biofactories for the synthesis of human proteins. Obtained using a classic plant expression system, which has provided great breakthroughs in the field of medical research, non-genetically modified plants are used for the rapid generation of full proteins. The synthetic gene of the human protein is cloned in an expression vector, transcribed and mechanically inserted into the plant. The plant amplifies the transcript and translates the protein which accumulates in the leaves. Then, the leaves are harvested and processed, obtaining a biomass that is filtered and purified by FPLC. A high-purity lyophilized protein is obtained and biological activity and protein identification are performed. In silico design of new peptides. Generation of synthetic short-chain peptides designed in silico for specific targets by directed mutagenesis and measurements of energy interactions with their targets. New peptides can be designed showing the lowest binding energy interactions. This approach guarantees innovation and the highest efficacy. The synthesis of peptides is performed in solid phase in our facilities up to the gram scale. Marine bioresearch. The Marine Malaspina expedition, integrated by multiple research institutes, among them the CSIC, navigated more than 42,000 nautical miles of international waters across the world. More than 350 air and water samples were collected from different depths, from superficial to abyssal zones, with perpetual darkness and from different temperatures, salinities, and oxygen levels. Water samples were filtered, and diversity, complexity, and novelty of biological content were analyzed using metagenomics. A large collection of microorganisms from different environments was obtained. More than 1,000 bacterial strains were isolated. Among them, around 120 strains were unknown, and the phylogenetic tree of the mission is currently being drawn with the help of 16S, our DNA sequencing. This collection of microorganisms represents an unlimited source of new natural molecules. All this is integrated under our marine bioresearch platform and with our own pilot plant for fermentation of selected strains. Big data analytics. To get deep into the new omics era, Lipotrue has access to a platform that integrates the technologies to analyze the expression and levels of genes, transcripts, proteins, and lipids. Epigenetic modifications to our DNA represent an upstream regulation of our gene expression and functions. Acetylations and methylations to our DNA and histones, as well as differential expression of microRNAs or interfering RNAs, can change completely the way our bodies and our skin evolve. Our ingredients are tested on different skin cell types, providing a great opportunity to generate an upgraded line of products really based on epigenomics. All these technological platforms serve as the source of new high technological active ingredients developed by Lipotrue, and also offers you tailored innovations for your needs to achieve your company's next breakthrough. Lipotrue.